Tired of harsh sunlight running your space? Or struggling with heavy curtains every day? Today I'm checking out the SmartWings Motorized Linen Drapery, a 70% blackout smart curtain that brings style and convenience. What's up guys, today we're taking a look at these smart motorized drapes from SmartWings, and honestly this one of the easiest upgrade you can make to your home. Let's see what makes them special. Okay, this is what it comes in the first box. This is the bar with the motor to hold the blinders, and it has this one just to cover on the side. It comes with this paper as a guide. This is what it comes in the first box. Let's open the second box. And this is what it comes in the second box. It comes with the curtain. So it's a custom size. You can order it on the website for the size that you need it. The manual, the motor, the power cable, the remote control, and it has a holder and comes with the screws for the holder for the remote control, and batteries for the remote control, brackets, the small ones, more brackets. The cool thing, it comes with everything is included, and also it comes with the longer ones just in case. I might not need all of them, but it's a good thing to have extra brackets for the installation. And this is everything that comes inside of the box. Okay, and now let's start with installation and let's put everything together. Okay, and the first step is to put the brackets together. This one comes in 3 pieces. One piece is the L bracket, the second piece is the one in the middle, is the fixed bracket that is gonna hold the track, and the third one is the balance fixed bracket. Okay, so you have to put them, the screws that are included, but the fixed bracket balance, that one don't put it too tight because you're gonna move it a little bit later. Okay, and this is what I'm talking about. This is the reason that you have to keep it loose, because when you are going to use the drill to put the screws on the wall, you will need the space to put the screws on, like this. And now repeat the process for the other 6 brackets. Alright, and after you assemble all the brackets together, the next step is to put the track together. And the next step is to align both ends of the track together. And then put both of the tracks together, pull the arm a little bit backwards so you remove the wrinkles from the belt, and after that join them together with the screw, tie them down, and with that you can get the track in one piece. And after that join the plastic with the arm. You have to remove these 2 screws and put this like an M on top to hook them together, and then put the arm back together with the screws. And after that just check and make sure that both arms move fine and they move freely. And the next thing you have to do, count the hooks that you have on your track, and then count the hooks you have on your curtains, and remove this silver one and remove the extra hooks that you have. And I'm gonna use this strip to align all the brackets and make sure it's straight with the ceiling and the window. And I use a stud finder to find the studs on the wall. And after I knew where all the studs are, I put the first bracket on the wall, and I repeat this process for all the brackets. There are 6 in total brackets. And now the next thing is to put the track on the brackets. You have to lose this screw to hold the track on each bracket. The track is not that heavy, but if you have somebody that helps you to hold the other side, it's easier. Right now I'm doing it by myself, but it's not that heavy and it's easier to do. And here is the example how the bracket holds the track. As you can see it right there, that's the screw you have to loosen it up in order to hook the track to the bracket. And to install the motor is super easy. Just put it like that, move that tab, and it will lock it down to the track. And then the next thing is to put the balance bar. It will clip in to all the brackets, and you have to bend it on each side like I'm doing here, and in this side too. And then the next step is to put the curtains on the hooks like I'm doing here. Okay, and you can see here I have extra hooks. I'm gonna remove those hooks because I want the curtains to open all the way. And to remove them you have to remove the silver hook, and after that you can slide the hook each one by one and push it a little bit, and you have to do that to the rest of the extra hooks. And repeat the same process to the other side. And the last thing is to put the balance. That one you can stick it to the balance bar. It has a velcro, you stick it in, and that's the last thing to do. Right away, the linen texture stands out. It gives a soft modern look, not too heavy, not too thin. Perfect if you want something that feels premium but is still natural. And the color blends easily with almost any home style. Now the best part, it's motorized. You can open and close with the remote, set schedules, integrate with a smart home system depending on your setup. Imagine waking up and your curtains open automatically. The motor is actually very quiet, so no loud noises when operating or closing, which is perfect for bedrooms. Overall, the SmartWings Motorized Linen Drapery is a great mix of style, function, and smart convenience. If you are upgrading your space, this is definitely worth considering. If you want to check it out, the link is down below in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more smart home and product reviews. Thank you for watching, God bless you, and I'll see you on the next one.